Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best air fryer in 2026 to make crispy, healthy, and delicious meals at home, you're in the right place. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best air fryers of 2026, from smart AI-powered models to budget-friendly kitchen essentials. I'll cover product info, real-world performance, pros and cons, and help you decide which one fits your needs best. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Typhur Sync 8QT AI Smart Air Fryer. First up, we have the Typhur Sync 8QT AI Smart Air Fryer, one of the most advanced air fryers on the market this year. This air fryer stands out because of its AI smart cooking technology and built-in thermometer. You can cook steak, chicken, or turkey to precise doneness without cutting it open. The 450 degrees Fahrenheit high heat option delivers extra crispy texture that many air fryers can't match. Plus, it runs surprisingly quiet for its size. 8-quart XL capacity, wireless meat thermometer, 9-in-1 cooking functions, 450 degrees Fahrenheit maximum temperature, non-toxic ceramic coating, can cook up to a 6-pound whole chicken, quiet operation, dishwasher-safe parts. Pros: smart AI cooking with wireless thermometer, high 450 degrees Fahrenheit heat for crispier food, large family size capacity, non-toxic ceramic basket, quiet performance. Cons: maybe more features than casual users need. Tech lovers and families who want precision cooking and premium features. Number 2. Ninja AF101 4QT Air Fryer. Next, we have the Ninja AF101, one of the most popular and reliable air fryers available. This is a compact but powerful unit. It heats up fast and cooks evenly. While it doesn't reach 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 400 degrees Fahrenheit is still more than enough for crispy fries and wings. Perfect for small kitchens, couples, or beginners. 4-quart capacity, 4-in-1, air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate. 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range. 1,550 watts of power, dishwasher-safe parts, includes 20 recipes. Pros: trusted brand reliability, compact and space-saving, easy to use, great price point. Cons: smaller 4QT capacity, no smart features. Singles, couples, or beginners wanting a dependable air fryer. Number 3. Nutrichef 5.8 QT Air Fryer. At number 3, we have the Nutrichef 5.8 QT Air Fryer. The transparent bowl is the standout feature here. You can actually see your food while it cooks without opening the basket. It offers balanced performance, solid crisping, and easy preset controls. 5.8-quart capacity, 8 preset cooking modes, transparent fry bowl, precise time and temperature control. Pros: see-through cooking window, good mid-size capacity, user-friendly presets, affordable. Cons: build quality isn't as premium, doesn't reach 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Families who want visibility while cooking at a reasonable price. Number 4. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer, 10-liter. If you want versatility, this one is a powerhouse. This model works more like a mini oven. The rotisserie feature is perfect for whole chicken, and the large window makes monitoring easy. It's great for big families and batch cooking. 10-liter XL capacity. Air fry, rotisserie, dehydrate, bake. 17 touchscreen presets. Large easy view window. Auto shutoff. Pros: huge capacity, multi-function cooking, rotisserie included, great for large meals. Cons: takes more counter space, slightly longer preheat time. Large families and people who want oven-style versatility for big meals. Number 5. Chefman 8-quart TurboFry 4-in-1. Last but not least, the Chefman 8-quart TurboFry. The 450 degrees Fahrenheit high fry option delivers extra crispiness, similar to the Typhur, but at a more affordable price.
It's simple, powerful, and ideal for larger households. 8-quart XL capacity, 450 degrees Fahrenheit high fry option, 4-in-1, air fry, bake, dehydrate, frozen, non-stick dishwasher safe basket, stainless steel design. Pros: high 450 degrees Fahrenheit crisp option, large basket, modern stainless steel design, easy cleaning. Cons: no smart thermometer, basic interface compared to premium models. Families wanting high heat performance without paying premium smart prices. And that wraps up our top 5 best air fryers of 2026. Whether you want smart AI cooking, extra large capacity, or a budget-friendly option, there's something here for every kitchen. Check out the links in the description below for the latest prices and deals. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next top 5 review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.